Today we are going to see a new topic in physical quantities and measurement. The topic is measurement of temperature. What is temperature? Temperature of an object is the degree of hotness or coldness of that object is called temperature. And the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, but commonly we are using some other unit. They are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. And if you want to measure the temperature, we are using device. The device name is called thermometer. Okay, next. Now we are going to see about types of thermometer. There are two types of thermometer is there. One is called laboratory thermometer and other one is called clinical thermometer, for we are using to measure the temperature of human body. Now let's we go for first laboratory thermometer. Now what is the construction? The laboratory thermometer consists of a fine capillary tube of a glass having a uniform pore, and one end of this capillary tube is end with the bulb, and the bulb is provided with the mercury. Okay, so the bulb is filled with pure mercury, and the other end of the capillary tube is sealed after removing the air from the tube. Okay, and that this capillary tube is protected with a thick glass. That glass is called stem, and the measurement also on the stem. This measurement is called degree. Okay, so in laboratory thermometer, the lower limit and upper limit are minus 10 degree Celsius to 110 degree Celsius, and the capillary tube is protected with a thick glass that is called stem. This is about the construction of laboratory thermometer. Okay, here you want to note the main point is minus 10 degree Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. Next we go for clinical thermometer. The clinical thermometer is also looking like a same like a laboratory thermometer, but there are main two differences there, and we are using this to measure a body temperature of a human body, human and animals. It consists of similar to the laboratory thermometer, but it is a small in size, and the ranges is here 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius, and the normal temperature of a human body is 37 degree Celsius, or in Fahrenheit that is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, and what is the main differences in this clinical thermometer? There is small constriction or kink is present in a capillary tube. What is the purpose? They are having a small bend in a capillary tube. The bend is prevent the flow of mercury from the original position, because in laboratory thermometer we are using in a normal stand, so there is no use of taking outside. But if you measure the temperature of a human body, you want to take it out from the person, so in that time the kink is present in a capillary tube to prevent the flow of mercury from the original position, so we are able to measure the temperature of a human body in a very particular. Okay, so nowadays doctors are using a digital thermometer. Okay, this is about thermometer. Okay, so next, what are the precautions if you using a clinical thermometer? The precautions are, first, if you want to measure the thermometer, then you want to make a jug, and you want to identify that the mercury level is below 35 degree Celsius. Okay, next, you should be washed before as well as after every use, either using an antiseptic lotion or with a clean water, not using a cold water, not using a warm water. That is important, because if you are cleaning the thermometer with a warm water, then the temperature is increasing, so we are not able to measure it perfectly. Okay, next, before measuring the thermometer to a person, ensure that the mercury level is below the 35 degree Celsius. Okay, if it is not there, you want to give a jerk through the thermometer. Never hold the thermometer by the bulb, and keep the thermometer property under the tongue of a person for at least 1 minute, or in case of small child, you want to keep it the thermometer in armpit. and you want to measure 1 degree added to that particular level. Okay, to read the temperature, the thermometer should be hold at the eye level in a correct position and never wash with the warm water. These are the precautions you want to take in a clinical thermometer. Next, what are the scales we are using in a thermometer? There are two fixed points is there. One is called the lower fixed point, other one is called upper fixed point. The lower fixed point is equal to the melting point of ice or a freezing point of water, and upper fixed point is boiling point of water, that is 100 degrees Celsius, and lower fixed point is 0 degree Celsius. Okay, why we are using mercury in a thermometer? Because it is shining and it does not stick with the walls of glass of the thermometer, so we are able to measure it clearly with the shining. That's why we are using mercury in a thermometer. Now there are three common types of temperature scales we are using. First one is Celsius scale, second one is Kelvin scale, and third one is Fahrenheit scale. In Celsius scale, the lower fixed point is 0 degree Celsius and upper fixed point is 100 degree Celsius. So total they have a 100 divisions. So each division is equal to 1 degree Celsius. The same way in Kelvin, the lower fixed point is 273 Kelvin and upper fixed point is 373 Kelvin. Here also we have a same 100 divisions. So each division is equal to 1 Kelvin. So but in case of Fahrenheit, the lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit and upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. So total here divisions is 180 degree division. This is the main difference between the three scales we are using in thermometer. Okay, so up to this we are conclude. Today we are going to see a